I don't know about you, but I'm a recovering overpacker. It seems that every outing or trip I went on, I packed way too much. I've gotten better about just packing what we need, but I still have a ways to go. In this video, I'll share with you my must-have first aid kit items for the natural traveler. I developed this list of must-have oils. There's 9 of them. During my early years as a search and rescue canine handler, where all you have with you for you and your dog is what you can carry. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. When traveling, it's essential to be prepared with some essential oils for first aid. Being equipped with these oils helps to be ready for the unexpected that may arise during your journey. Essential oils offer a natural and convenient solution for addressing common travel discomforts and injuries. They can help with headaches, soothe travel-related anxiety, alleviate muscle tension, and take out of insect bites. Their compact size and versatility make them perfect for on-the-go use. By having a variety of essential oils specifically for first aid, you can enhance your travel experience and promote well-being, knowing that you're prepared for most situations that may occur during your adventures. It's good to be prepared, and when we choose a natural solution, it can be easy peasy. Today, let's focus on a keychain that has small bottles, typically for essential oils. It has 8 dram bottles, but you can squeeze 9 into it. Let's start with lemon essential oil, known for its refreshing aroma. Lemon possesses natural cleansing properties, making it a versatile addition to your first aid kit. It may offer support for respiratory discomfort and can be used for non-toxic cleaning. Add a drop or 2 of lemon to your daily water to cleanse from the inside out, and it tastes oh so good. Lavender, the jack of all trades essential oil. Think of lavender as all things calming, both inside and out. It can help you with relaxation, diffuse and use it topically for sleep. Use lavender for soothing irritations and providing comfort and cleaning of minor burns and cuts. Grab your lavender for bug bites too. The next one up is peppermint essential oil. Like lavender, it can be used 3 ways: internally, topically, and aromatically. With its cooling sensation and invigorating aroma, peppermint can offer relief from occasional tension, promote clear breathing, and provide a refreshing sensation when applied topically. Peppermint can give you a boost of energy and focus. Whenever you overdo it, grab peppermint. The combination of lemon, lavender, and peppermint will combat what we call seasonal discomfort. You know what I mean. This combo has been a game changer for me to rid myself of environmental discomforts. Next, we have frankincense, the king of oils. When in doubt, get your frank out. Known for its rich history and countless benefits, frankincense essential oil may promote a healthy inflammatory response, support the skin's natural healing processes, and is a key part of our skin routine to reverse aging. It can help with aches and discomforts too. Grab your frankincense for tense and anxious feelings. Take it daily for prevention, and use frankincense when people or pets are experiencing an uncontrolled neurological event. On Guard. This is our protective blend, and it's powerful. It combines essential oils such as wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. It offers a natural way to support the immune system and can be used to help purify the air when we diffuse it. Use On Guard topically for oral health, either directly or on toothpaste when brushing your teeth, or with water to swoosh it around the affected area. Add a drop of On Guard to water to clean surfaces. Use On Guard as soon as you start to feel that you may have picked up a bug, and use it frequently to load your body with the protection and boost it needs to fight off the crud. DigestZen, the digestive blend, brings together essential oils like ginger, peppermint, fennel to support digestive health. It can be used 3 ways also: topically, internally, and aromatically, to ease occasional stomach discomfort or to promote healthy digestion. Grab DigestZen if you're going too much or not going enough. You know what I mean. DigestZen applied to the bridge of the nose and around the sinus areas can help with congestion. Take DigestZen daily when traveling, but especially when you have issues after eating where it might not have been very clean. Yuck. Tea tree, known as melaleuca, is a powerful essential oil with purifying properties. Think of cleansing and drying. Use it for clear skin and skin irritations. Dab a wee bit on a pimple and it dries it up from the inside out. Tea tree is so much better than peroxide for cleaning wounds and promoting healing. Tea tree is important to have in our arsenal to kick all kinds of cooties to the curb. TerraShield, our repellent blend. This combines natural ingredients known for their insect repellent properties, providing non-toxic alternative to chemical-laden repellents. TerraShield can help create a protective barrier against pesky bugs, allowing you and your pets and animals to enjoy your outdoor adventures without the nuisance of insect bites. The formulation also has tick protection, but I like to add geranium to every bottle for extra tick fighting goodness. It's important to note that TerraShield is not recommended for use on cats. It's environmentally friendly. TerraShield is pre-diluted and convenient to use straight out of the bottle or spray, so you can be prepared to ward off insects and make the most of your outdoor experiences with a safe, natural approach to pest control. Finally, Helichrysum, a precious floral oil known for its rejuvenating, soothing, and restorative properties, which is why it's in many anti-aging products. I never go anywhere without Helichrysum. I call it liquid Band-Aid. Apply it to stop bleeding and reduce bruising. It doesn't replace sutures when you need them, but it will help you buy time to get to the hospital. Helichrysum is key to youthful-looking skin and to reverse aging. Many use Helichrysum for head tension, eye health, inflammation, discomfort, organ cleansing, heavy metals, and blood toxicity. So, to recap, the 9 oils for your first aid travel kit are lemon, lavender, frankincense, On Guard, DigestZen, tea tree, peppermint, TerraShield, and Helichrysum. There are other essential oils that you may want to take with you, but these are my go-to 9 oils for travel and first aid. Let us know what oils you love to take with. As promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking in the link in the description below. You can also follow the additional links to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I'm so grateful you're here. If you can relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you found value in the information, go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell or whatever for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, then I am so glad you're in our community, and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Together, we and our pets can age backward and live younger longer. Take good care.